This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
Topic 10. Vapor Compression Refrigeration. High yield on TFS, critical for the HVAC and refrigeration depth. Expect 2 or 3 questions. Reverse a Rankine cycle. Swap water for a refrigerant. 4 devices: evaporator, compressor, condenser, expansion valve. Same logic, opposite direction. New property diagram. The problem: an ideal R134A cycle. Evaporator at -10 Celsius, condenser at 40. Saturated vapor out of the evaporator, saturated liquid out of the condenser. Isentropic compressor, 10 kilowatt refrigeration load. Find the refrigeration COP, the refrigerant mass flow rate, and the compressor power. Concept: 4 devices like Rankine, but flow reverses and a throttle replaces the pump. The evaporator absorbs heat from the cold space, making low-pressure saturated vapor. The compressor raises it to high pressure as superheated vapor. The condenser rejects heat, returning it to saturated liquid. The expansion valve throttles that liquid back to low pressure as a 2-phase mixture, closing the cycle. Why a throttle, not a pump? A liquid turbine yields negligible work, and the 2-phase flow would damage blades. Throttling is simpler and essentially free. The pH diagram: pressure vertical, enthalpy horizontal. 4 states. State 1, evaporator exit, saturated vapor at the low pressure. State 2, compressor exit, superheated at the high pressure. State 3, condenser exit, saturated liquid at the high pressure. State 4, throttle exit, 2-phase at the low pressure. A vertical isenthalpic drop from state 3. 3 horizontal legs plus the vertical throttle. On this plot, QL is the 4:1 distance, compressor work the 1:2. Setup: 4 one-line steady flow energy balances. Evaporator heat in is H1 minus H4. Compressor work H2 minus H1. Condenser heat out H2 minus H3. The expansion valve is isenthalpic. H4 equals H3, the one non-obvious piece. 1 industry unit, a ton of refrigeration, is 12,000 BTU per hour, about 3.5 kilowatts. Variable table: 4 state columns. Pressures come from the saturation temperatures. Enthalpy at state 4 equals state 3, the throttle rule. Entropy at state 2s equals state 1, the isentropic compressor. Fill states 1 and 3 from the tables. Derive 4 from the throttle. Find 2 by isentropic compression to the high pressure. The process quantities collapse to enthalpy differences. Pattern recognition: refrigerator, AC, heat pump, or chiller, VCR by default. R134A is domestic. R22 legacy, but still tested. Evaporator and condenser temperatures pin the 2 pressures. Superheat at the evaporator exit means state 1 is superheated. Subcooling at the condenser exit means state 3 is compressed liquid. Capacity in kilowatts or tons sets QL. Compressor efficiency below 1 triggers the topic 06 correction. A heat pump COP question uses COP HP 1 plus the refrigeration COP. Handbook quick reference: the pills have the exact sections. You'll want the cycle overview, the performance per ton table, and the property tables for R22, R134A, and ammonia. Today's problem uses the R134A table. The ton conversion again: 1 ton is 12,000 BTU per hour. COPs are always reported positive. Solve. State 1, saturated vapor at -10 Celsius. Read the saturation table. Psat is 200.6, Hg is 244.5, Sg is 0.94. Note HF at 38.4 for the state 4 quality. State 3, saturated liquid at 40 Celsius. From the table, Psat about 1017, HF is 108.3, SF is 0.40. State 4, the throttle is isenthalpic, so H4 equals H3. The quality works out to about 34% flash to vapor. Cooling capacity lost before the evaporator, an inherent inefficiency. State 2, isentropic compression to the condenser pressure, so S2 equals S1. At the high pressure, the saturated vapor entropy is below S1, so state 2 is superheated. Enter the R134A superheated table at 1 megapascal and interpolate on entropy between the 40 and 50 degree rows. That gives H2 of about 278.2. Read the cycle metrics off the enthalpy row. Refrigeration effect is H1 minus H4, 136.2. Compressor work, H2 minus H1, 33.7. Heat rejected, H2 minus H3, 169.9. COP for refrigeration is 4.04, for the heat pump, 5.04. Two free cross-checks pass, QH minus QL equals the work, and the COPs differ by 1. Mass flow and power. Mass flow is the cooling capacity divided by the refrigeration effect, about 73 grams per second. Compressor power is mass flow times the work, 2.5 kilowatts. Condenser heat rejection, mass flow times QH, is 12.5 kilowatts, matching QL plus WC, about 2.8 tons. Final answers. COP 4.04, mass flow about 73 grams per second, compressor power 2.5 kilowatts. A COP of 4 means each kilowatt of electricity buys 4 kilowatts of cooling. Real systems land at 2.5 to 3.5. The Carnot ceiling here is 5.3, so this ideal cycle captures about 77%. Traps. 5 ways VCR problems lose points. 1. The expansion valve is isenthalpic, not isentropic. Write H4 equals H3 first. 2. Phase check state 2. S1 usually sits above SG at the high pressure, but not always. 3. Distinguish refrigeration COP from heat pump COP, they differ by exactly 1. 4. The Carnot ceiling comparison needs absolute temperature. 5. Throttle work is 0, not negative. Flow work is given up, but none appears as shaft work. Quick recall. 4 states, 4 balances. Evaporator, QL is H1 minus H4. Compressor, work is H2 minus H1, S2 equal to S1 when ideal. Condenser, QH is H2 minus H3. Expansion valve, H4 equals H3, isenthalpic, the non-obvious rule. COP is QL over work, or QH over work for a heat pump, 1 greater. Mass flow is capacity over refrigeration effect. 1 ton is 3.5 kilowatts. Next, and last for this course, Topic 11, Exam Strategy and Priority Matrix. The content's done. Topic 11 is how to use it. Highest yield topics, handbook navigation, trap patterns, and a time budget. Before then, redo today's problem with 5 degrees of evaporator superheat and 3 of condenser subcooling. COP rises slightly, which is why real systems design in both. PEPrepengine.com/beta. The refrigeration cheat sheet, the worked problem PDF, and a 5-question quiz are attached. If the course helps you, subscribe.
The full study guide, with every equation and common exam trap, is free at PEPrepengine.com. Link in the description. Machine design, HVAC, structural, civil, and electrical series are coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.